Sajag. I'm an IT infrastructure architect. I work for retail industry in Southeast Asia. We are using in a big scale one of the biggest product of the VMware, that is vSphere. So we got around like 5 vCenters and around 80 hosts. So now our main use case for the product is that we want to do virtualization. We want to save the cost of the physical hardware. And then after that, we were running with some of the big workloads on the physical that we have migrated on the VMware. So in terms of the retail applications that we are running on the physical, now we have virtualized it. The most valuable feature for me day to day for the vSphere is the DRS feature, Distributed Resource Scheduler. So we don't need to manage the resource or balance the resource. Once you come to the office in the morning, it's automatically got balanced. Yeah. We work in a retail company, so you don't know what time the customer coming in and like what time the workload is high. So we are not like a uniform in terms of the workloads. So that is quite important for us. So when the workload goes high, it automatically got optimized. So in terms of the vSphere security, the most important feature we like is your TPM, Trusted Platform Module, which you guys have launched in 6.7, and as well as the encrypted vMotion. So that helps us to bridge the gap in terms of if there's some kind of man-in-the-middle attack or some kind of a suspicious activity, so at least our VM or workloads are secured. So we are using our vSphere for our new workloads in terms of the federation services, as well as for our VDI workloads as well, which are very mission critical for us because they are the customer facing. So we have seen a tremendous performance boost. So we have started this VMware engagement from 2016. We are using this product, and till now we have seen like around 70% of the performance boost in these 2 years. Yes, that's a good number. So the product has improved the organization in terms of the infrastructure stability, infrastructure security, as well as the balance of the resources, as well as the cost saving. So our CTO, the cost saving and the TCO is very good with the product. The best feature we like it is your web client. You just log in, you have your data center. You don't need to walk to the data center day by day. You just open your laptop, log into your vCenter, you have your full data store ready. Data center is ready. Yeah, that's one of the best feature we have liked it. Nope, we don't have it, but we have planned to go on it in 6 months. Stability is perfectly fine. So in past 8 months, we have able to achieve 100% of the uptime. So the stability is quite impressive. Good. Scalability is one of the best things that we have liked about the vSphere. So you don't need to change your design. You can just, if you have a new demand for the workloads or if you have a new project coming in, you can just keep them coming in. So the scalability feature is perfectly awesome. So tech support experience is, sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, because we worked in Southeast Asia region where sometimes we have a language barrier. Yeah, so tech support, I can say it's like a 50-50 for us. Yeah, so in the initial setup, we are, with the initial setup, as our workloads were running on the open source. So when we had planned to go with the VMware, we have faced little bit of complexity, and so it's like just like a one-time thing. And after that, everything went smooth. Yeah, so there was some complexity that we have faced. So I can see the room for improvement still in the UI, user interface. So in terms of some of the things, let's say your vSphere web client, so or HTML5 client. So you can improve your HTML5 client more, which your engineering team, as I guess they're working on it. I can see it on the blog. So there are some still rooms for that, for the new features that they can push it in. So in past 6 months, we have saved around 110 TB of storage, which is almost equivalent to, let's say, $200,000 US. That's a huge amount we have saved. So when we have started with the VMware, we have tried with Citrix, Zen. Yeah, so we have considered them as well. We have considered Red Hat with their platform. Yeah. Okay, the most important thing when I choose a vendor, we look for the performance, the return of investment, as well as the support, tech support. So tech support is very important for us in day-to-day tasks. Yeah, so these are the things we look for the vendor. So if in terms of rating for the vSphere, I'll rate vSphere still 10. Yeah, I'm a huge fan of vSphere. Yeah, so I'll rate it 10. The advice we'll give to our colleagues or my friends, that if they're looking for some kind of these solution, I'll tell them, okay, please look for this, and you can have it, you can test it, you can download it for 60 days and you can test it, and then you can decide which is best for you.